right, so drywallers are all done. Everything's all good and ready for some paint. I got the guys pretty busy right now on other jobs, so it's probably going to be a little bit before we get here with that. But it's looking pretty good. Can't wait to move in here. Yeah, so here we are. Made some good progress with the shop here. The exterior is pretty much all done. Got things all painted out, got the lights up, all the details done. It's looking pretty good. I'm real happy with the way it's turned out. I've even got a phone line up there. Although, to be quite honest, I haven't plugged the phone in yet to check out to see if it works. I'm assuming it does. This past week here we worked a little bit on Friday on taking down some trees. Got a pile of brush there. Got some big cottonwoods that are just about ready to be knocked over. With the proximity to the power lines here, I had my arborist buddy come out and top them down to a height that we can manage. The intent there is we're going to realign the road a little bit, straighten her out, put it a little closer to where it should be. So inside we've been working away here and there as we've had time to. I've had the guys busy out on other jobs, but we've made a little bit of progress. Let's go inside and check it out. So inside here, we've got things masked off, windows and doors, covered in poly so that we can start spraying paint in here. So in the office and the bathroom here, managed to get a little bit of paint on the walls, painted the trim out, starting to take shape. Maybe next week I can actually move in here. The plumber's actually made it out, so we have a bathroom, although the well isn't quite hooked up yet, so we're not quite functional. In the machine shop area here, we've got this all painted out. You can see things look pretty glossy in here. I intentionally went with the highest gloss paint I could find, just to keep things really reflective and bright. We'll get some lights in here, and this will be a great working area. This is the area where I plan to have mill and lathe and metalworking and welding and that sort of stuff. Over in the large area will be for working on equipment and such. Mezzanine there, of course, is for storage. So yeah, I think the guys have made good progress up in the suite. Let's go check that out. Okay, in the suite here now. Let's head on upstairs. Painting is all done in here. So we've got a couple bedrooms, carpet's down, trim's done, everything's painted. It's looking pretty good. Just waiting for the doors to come back from the painters. And we can hang those. Waiting for a couple more lights as well. Everything's done. Fixtures are in the bathroom. Might even have a light that works. There we go. Still waiting for the mirror so I can hang the other light there. And we've got some kitchen cabinets in. It's looking all right. Pretty happy with things. So I guess I gotta go get some appliances here now. Let's take a look outside. Yeah, that guy got started on the railings. Still waiting for the glass to come, of course. And one of the railings for the stairs didn't quite work out as intended, so that's mostly because I changed things up on the railing guy. It's come along pretty good. So this next week we hope to get some landscaping done here. Get this backyard all cleaned up and ready for sod. And that'll green things up around here, make it actually look like a home. So down here at the creek, at the bridge, we've managed to make the connections finally. And we're hooked up with sewer and water from either side of the creek. And also the hydro is obviously in there. Built myself some little brackets that are hanging on the side of the bridge here to hang the pipes. Just added some pressure treated decking on there to support the pipes as they cross over. And we made our own little double wall system here. Just sleeving some insulation into a larger diameter pipe. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, we took care to make sure that everything, in particular the sewer line, is graded and doesn't have any bellies in it, all the way from the treatment tank at the top downhill to the pump tank down here. That way when the pump is finished, everything will drain back to the tank and minimize any ponding and settling in the pipe there. Yeah, so that makes all our connections. As soon as we get a pump in our well, if our plumber gets out here first thing Monday like he says he's gonna, we should be hooked up and live, and we'll be fully functional here at the suite. We can finally flush a toilet. It'd be a nice feeling. Yeah, so that's how things have gone here for the last couple weeks. Not a whole lot has happened, but we're making slow but steady progress. We'll check in with you later.